A very good morning to everyone present here. My name is Devopriya Das and today I will be demonstrating you the procedure of making 1 liter Murashige and scoop medium. For this method, we will be using the high media packet, that is the Murashige and scoop medium packet as is mentioned here. For 1 liter we need 4.4 grams, that is 1 packet. So first I have taken 500 ml of water, double distilled water. In it I am going to add this packet of the medium powder. First I am taking 500 ml, later on the volume will be adjusted accordingly. So after addition of the powder, I will be putting a magnetic stirrer in it and this will be placed in the magnetic stirrer. As we can see here, and the speed will be adjusted accordingly. As we can see. Now while our media is mixing properly in the double distilled water, in it we have to add 30 gram of sucrose, which is the measure for every 1 liter of media. Also we have to add glutamine and ascorbic acid. So for every 1 liter media, we have to add 10 ml of glutamine and 5 ml of ascorbic acid. First I am adding the sucrose and adjusting the speed so that all the sucrose mixes properly with the double distilled water and the MS media powder. While this is going on, I will be adding the glutamine and the ascorbic acid so that every ingredient mixes properly. So first I am adding 10 ml of glutamine. After adding 10 ml of glutamine, we change the tip because this is a stock solution which has been made. Now I am adding 5 ml of ascorbic acid. Now we let it mix for a while so that all the ingredients mix properly. So the 500 ml with the MS powder and the sucrose has been mixed properly here. Now what we have to do is we have to remove this magnetic stirrer. For this we use this rod. What we do is we fix it on the side of the container so that the magnetic stirrer attaches itself to the side and then slowly we take it out. After taking out the rod, what we do is we make the volume up to 900 because as we can see it is graduated here till 900. So we take double distilled water and we make the volume to 900 ml. For another 1000 ml, we will be needing another 100 ml of distilled water. So here I have taken 100 ml of double distilled water and I will be mixing it in this container so that the entire volume is 1 liter. Now here we have 1 liter of mix containing the MS powder, the sucrose, the glutamine and the ascorbic acid. Now what we do is we can see that it is nearly till touching the brim of the container, and now if we move forward with it in the microwave, then it will be difficult for us to handle the entire mix in such a large container. So for our own convenience, what we do is we divide this complete 1 liter into 500 ml into 2 containers. So now I will be dividing it into 500 ml each in 2 containers. So here we see we have two containers now with 500 ml each of the MS Media solution. Now what we have to do is we have to adjust the pH to 5.7. For MS Basal Media we use the pH 5.7 as the final pH. For that I have already made solution of 1 normal NaOH and 1 normal HCl for adjusting the pH respectively. For adjusting the pH, as we can see, this is a digital pH meter and this is the electrode which I have already placed it in the distilled water before moving it into the solution to measure the pH. So first off, what we do is we blot the end of the pH to remove any excess water. And now we place it inside the MS Media. As we can see that the first pH recorded is 4.3. So, in order to make it 5.7, we will be adding drop by drop 1 normal NaOH to adjust it to 5.7. After adjusting the pH, it is seen, as we can see here, that I have adjusted it to 5.7. After adjusting the pH to 5.7 for the second container as well, what we do is we remove the glass rod and we dip it in the distilled water so that it is convenient for us for washing. Now what we do is we add the Gel-Rite which I have taken. So for 500 ml we need 1.25 gram Gel-Rite. So I am putting in the Gel-Rite. We can also add agar-agar for the same purpose, but Gel-Rite gives us more transparency of the medium, which will help us to observe any changes in the rooting, or it helps us to observe the growth of the medium or the plant better. Now what we do is we will be microwaving the same so that the Gel-Rite dissolves completely in the mixture. The MS Media with the Gel-Rite is in the microwave now, which is getting heated. So each tube will be having 20 ml of the mix. So for 1 liter we will be needing 10 sets of tubes, and each set has 5 tubes as is seen here. Now what we do is we will be needing clean plugs, which I have already kept it ready, autoclaved, and also we will be needing tissue paper to rub the tips while pouring, and also then plugging them and then preparing them for the autoclave. This is a set which is just out of the microwave, and we can see that the Gel-Rite has dissolved completely in the mixture. Now what we are going to do is we will be pouring it in this tube. As is seen here, we have already poured the media inside the tube set and we have plugged the tubes. Now what we do is we take a clean paper and we wrap up the mouth like this. We do this for all the sets of tubes after pouring them, and then we will be getting them autoclaved. In case we do not have the MS Media powder, we can also make the Murashige and Skoog Media by adding different concentration of macronutrients, micronutrients, vitamins and various other nutrients as follows. I am demonstrating for 100 ml of media. In this case what we are taking is, I have taken a beaker, nearly 50 ml of water here, double distilled water. To it, first I am adding the macro salt of 5 ml. Followed by micro salt 0.1 ml. Followed by MS vitamin 0.1 ml. I am changing the tip in each case because it is very essential for us, because these are all stock solutions we are using. Followed by glycine 0.1 ml. Followed by myo-inositol 0.2 ml. Followed by Ki 0.1 ml. Followed by EDTA 0.1 ml. Followed by ascorbic acid 0.5 ml. by glutamic acid 1 ml. Followed by sucrose 3 grams. This is 3 grams sucrose. I am adding it into the mix. Now what we do is we make the total volume 200 ml with distilled water. The rest of the procedure remains the same, where after this what we do is we mix all the ingredients properly. We adjust the pH to 5.7. After that what we do is we add gel-rite of 0.25 gram because we are making 100 ml of media here. After that we heat it properly, we pour it in the tubes, we plug them and then we autoclave them.